Need to bring your team into ManyChat? This section covers the basics of adding team members. As of December 2025, it's a straightforward process. First, you'll need an active ManyChat account and a paid plan. Then from your dashboard, go to Settings, then Team. Click Invite Member to add a new team member. Enter the team member's email address. They'll receive an invitation link to accept. The core of team management lies in assigning the right roles and permissions. This is invitation-based access combined with role-based permissions. ManyChat offers 4 primary roles: owner, admin, editor, and viewer. The owner has full access, including billing and account deletion. Admins can manage team members and settings but can't delete the account. Editors create and edit bots, while viewers have read-only access, perfect for trainees or auditors. This table shows a detailed comparison of access permissions for each role. Best practice: assign the lowest level of access needed. As of 2025, ManyChat is also using AI to suggest optimal roles based on team usage, streamlining setup. Remember to enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security.